Hey everybody, welcome back to Larry's RC room. We're out here at the RMX play park here at my place. Got the Bronco. We're ready for a test run on this thing. I'm going to do a double video here of it. I'm going to be using my cell phone to record the Traxxas app and on Bluetooth as I run it with the Apeman, as you can see on the controller right there. Now, I've also upgraded the servo to a 35 kilogram servo on this thing from Amazon, and I put the light bar on top of it right there. Unfortunately, I actually had to do a 9-volt battery to power that up. Traxxas's lighting modules only give me 2.7 volts. Well, that light bar requires 4.5 to 7 to 9 volts, whatever. So most of your LED light bars will run on approximately 2 to 3S, 7 to 11 volts. And this one here runs really bright at 9 volts. I do have to power it on manually, but that's okay too. I'm going to use the Traxxas app, and we're going to record some of this crawling abilities of this thing with the Duratrax Deepwoods under it. Yep. And the new wheels under it, and running Duratrax standard foams with the new servo. I got a 2S LiPo Z 5200 mAh 50C in the truck. I'm going to plug it in. We're going to get to recording here. Stay with us. Alright, here we go. We're going to start this climb right here. We're going to see what she does. Hopefully she'll climb on up here. I can't watch it all, so. Oh yeah, look at that. Crawling right on up. Oh, that's pretty. Here we go up the backside of Skull Mountain. See what she does here. Let's see if she climbs up through here. Last time with the stock canyon trails, I really struggled. Now with these weighted wheels and the Duratrax, seems to be working pretty good. Oh yeah, start this thing with a little side heeling action. Remember, I do have a 9-volt battery on this side, inside the body, just because of the light bar power supply. We're going to see what this thing does side heeling. See if it'll hold its own. Running these Duratrax with weighted beadlocks. Oh yeah, that was nice. That was nice. So enough of the screen record and the telemetry stuff. I'm just going to run this thing here and see what it'll do. Telemetry is good, but with me by myself trying to do this, it makes it kind of difficult. I was wanting to get out here and do this stuff a couple of days ago, but I wasn't able to. So, but all in all, it seems like it's doing really good. Okie dokie, let's try this little incline right here. See what happens. Hung up on a little rock there, wasn't it, in the rear, but it managed to pull out of it. Oh, climb on up there. Yeah, little Bronco. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. See how that servo is working here in these spots. Oh, beautiful, dude. Yes. Oh yeah. That's looking good. That noise that you hear in the background is my neighbor over there trimming some shrubs. by their front porch. Oh yeah. Let's see how this thing descends here. If your weight balance ain't right, and she'll flip right on over with the rear end. That was so smooth. Oh my goodness. That was smooth. Had my rear diff unlocked that whole time. That's cool. Now it's all locked up. That'll make her crawl a lot better. Anyways, y'all, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Like, subscribe, leave me a comment. Okay, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that notification bell, and you'll get notifications when I do post videos. I don't post them all the time, but I try to keep up with the times and do what I can for videoing, just to post on YouTube. Trying to get that 1,000 subscribers so I can get monetized. Hopefully that'll happen here soon in this year. But outside of that, hey, I'm having fun laughing, playing and RCing. I sure am addicted to this hobby, and I hope you all are too. And I hope you really enjoy my videos. Like I said, leave me a comment and let me know if you do. Have a good one.